Hello, future engineers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends, to your younger brothers and sisters who would want to take up engineering in the future, and to your relatives. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired, and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe.
Hello future engineers, here is another video in calculus. I hope that you will learn techniques in graph and the translation techniques. The graph of y equals square root of 3x minus x squared, square root of quantity 3x minus x squared is given. Use transformations to create a function whose graph is as shown. So this is the original graph and the equation is given by square root of 3x minus x squared, and that's 1.50. Then this is 3, of course. So this is now the new graph which we're going to determine the equation. So first, let's translate the graph, or let's stretch the graph with a factor of 2, stretch vertically with a factor of 2. So this imaginary, sorry, these are the three graphs whose equations are to be found. So this is the graph because this changes to 3. It's like we stretch the graph of f of x by a factor of 2. So from 1.5 it becomes 3. So this is y equals 2 times square root 2 times f of x. Y equals 2 times f of x. Then from this position we translate it 2 units to the right. So it becomes y equals 2 times f of quantity x minus 2. Dragging or shifting the graph 2 units to the right, we replace x by x minus 2. So from its original equation, all you have to do is replace x by x minus 2 and we multiply by 2. So 2 of f of quantity x minus 2 is 2 times square root of 3 quantity x minus 2 minus x quantity x minus 2 squared. Then we simplify that. Y equals 2 square root of 3x minus 6 minus quantity x squared minus 4x plus 4. So y equals 2 square root of 3x minus 6 minus x squared plus 4x minus 4. Combining like terms, then simplify. So y equals 2 square root of 7x minus x squared. Negative 6 minus 4 is negative 10. So y is 2 square root of 7x minus x squared minus 10. So that's the equation of this graph for this position here. You can check. You substitute x is 2, x is 5, so y should be 0. X is 3.5 and y should be 3 to check that equation. Next, this graph here, B. So first we have our guide. Let's shift it 4 units to the left as shown. So from this position graph, we shift it 4 units because it begins with the left end 0. So it becomes negative 4. So the equation of this curve is y equals square root, y equals in general f of x plus 4. Then from y equals f of x plus 4, because we want to find this graph, we first reflect it about the x-axis. Reflecting it about the x-axis is making the sign here negative. Negative of f of quantity x plus 4. Or for this graph here, it was here originally. It's like shifting it vertically by 1 unit. So shifting it vertically by 1 unit means the equation is y equals f of x plus 4, then plus 1. F of x plus 4, then plus 1. Then we reflect it about the x-axis in order to produce this graph. So after reflecting it about the x-axis, we simply make this negative. So negative of quantity f of x plus 4 plus 1. So replacing x by x plus 4. So y equals negative of square root of quantity 3 of quantity x plus 4 minus quantity x plus 4 square, then plus 1. So y equals negative of square root of 3x plus 12 minus quantity x squared plus 8x plus 16, then minus 1. So negative of positive 1 is negative 1. Simplifying inside, y equals, we have 3x minus 8x, which is negative 5x, negative x squared. 12 minus 16 is negative 4. So y equals negative square root of negative x squared minus 5x minus 4. Where negative x squared, that's negative x squared. 3x minus 8x is negative 5x. 12 minus 16 is negative 4. Then we copy negative 1. So that's the equation of this curve here, this curve here. Then next, the equation of this curve, let's find out. We have to shift the graph here like that, and the equation would be y equals f of x, shifting it 4 units to the right. So y equals f of quantity x plus 4. Then after we shift it 4 units to the right, that's the general equation. We reflect it about the x-axis. It becomes y equals negative of f of quantity x minus 4. So that is y equals negative of x minus 4. Then after that, since this is the graph and we want to find the equation of this graph is obtained by shifting the graph negative of f of quantity x minus 4 1, 2, 3, 3.5 units upward. So it becomes y equals negative of f quantity x minus 4 plus 3.5. So therefore, the required equation is y equals square root of 3 quantity x minus 4 minus quantity x minus 4 square, then plus 3.5. Simplify inside, y equals negative square root of 3x minus 12 minus quantity x squared minus 8x plus 16, then plus 3.5. Combining like terms, 3x minus negative 8x is 11x, then minus x squared, negative 12 minus 16, negative 28. Then y equals negative square root of 11, quantity 11x, minus x squared, then minus 28, then plus 3.5. So that's the required equation. If you want to check, then you substitute x is 4, you should get 3.5. When you substitute x is 7, it was 7 here, 3.5. When you substitute 4.5, you should get 2 to verify those equations and answers. So that's it for this video. I hope that you learned something new.